A number of website owners and advertisers have had difficulty getting an accurate price estimate for links or text link advertising in the past. It's possible to get an idea of how much a popular website will charge you by using this link price calculator. Negotiating with website owners and webmasters who want to buy or sell their links can begin once you have an idea of the link's value. Find out how to use this tool. Go to https://toolsplice.com/link price calculator. The URL you want to check should be entered in the text box provided. In only one click, this link price checker will provide you with an accurate estimation of link prices. Remember that the price of a link can fluctuate based on the amount of traffic a website receives. Please like, share, and subscribe. Turn the notification on to get updates on more useful tools for your online journey.